In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can bring back the vertical style status here on WhatsApp. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android. And recently, if you don't know, WhatsApp has changed the layout so statuses show up horizontal up at the top, similar to Instagram stories. But if you prefer the classic vertical style, here's how you can switch it back. In the bottom left, go ahead and select updates, and under statuses, you'll see a section called channels right here. Tap into one of those channels. For example, we could do this one right here. And what you're going to want to do is now tap the three dots up in the top right corner to go to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select the unfollow channel to actually confirm this, and you're going to need to unfollow all channels to restore this old look. Once you've unfollowed them, back out, and you'll see your status list is now going to be vertical again rather than horizontal. That's it, a super quick fix to get that old vertical WhatsApp status layout back. If you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.